Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Tina here. I hope you're all having an amazing summer. I know here where I'm at, it is 100 degrees today, so I will not be going outside at all because heat and this girl, we don't mix. But I hope everyone else is having an amazing summer vacation so far. Today I am doing a video in collaboration with an amazing jewelry company. It's called Luisa, and they design designer pieces. They work with Tory Burch, Ralph Lauren, Kenzo, and so they reached out to me about a month ago, and sorry, that's my dog, he's scratching. They reached out to me about a month ago to ask if I would be willing to do a video for them, and I said I only do honest reviews. Sorry to interrupt. We're bell training the dog to go outside, but now he rings the bell like every 5 seconds because he wants to go outside. As I was saying, I told him I only do honest reviews, and they said that was fine. So they let me select 2 pieces from their online catalog, and I'm going to share with you the pieces I selected. The first one is this one. This is called the Amanda necklace, and it's silver crystals set in sterling silver chain. And I love this necklace. I get so many compliments on it. The crystals are gorgeous. They sparkle, they catch the light, they do everything that a high quality crystal is supposed to do. What I also really love though is the chain. I actually have a sterling silver chain from Tiffany, and I love the chain, I do, but there's something about the way this one is cut, and it just catches the light and shimmers almost like you're wearing glitter around your neck. So it's really gorgeous. I'm sorry, I'm watching my dog. The dog's going crazy, and my Casey's trying desperately to contain this puppy of ours.
Oh, now that it's broken, come on, outside.
My husband's taking him outside. This is like my 15th time trying to record this video today, and at this point, I'm not even starting over. I'm not. This video is going up just like this. Because this is my life. Children, dogs, lawnmowers, sons that go away. We're just going for it because I will not record this video a 16th time. I'm just not. Okay, so they're all outside. As I was saying, it catches the light beautifully. It looks like I literally have sprinkled glitter around my neck. It's gorgeous. The second item I chose was this. These are the Solange earrings. They are marquise cut crystals, also set in sterling silver. And again, they're just the right size because I like my jewelry to be very delicate, small, petite, but yet, even though I want it to be small, I want it to make a big statement. So these are just gorgeous. And again, tons of compliments. And because they're the right size, people actually think that they're way more expensive than what they really are, although they are made with great quality materials. So don't think that they're cheap. They are not cheap at all, but the prices are completely affordable. They're not, you know, extremely outrageous prices where it's like, oh, I love that, but you know, it's $2,000, I can't buy it. No, trust me, amazing stuff. So as I said, they design pieces for designers, and they make their jewelry in small quantities. It's all handcrafted, so somebody actually sat by hand, not machine, and produced this. And because they design their pieces in smaller quantity batches, it guarantees that you really are wearing something unique, something that's not, you know, you're not gonna see everyone around you wearing the exact same piece of jewelry. And that's nice because it makes you feel extra special. So because it is sterling silver, just like any piece that's sterling silver, it will tarnish eventually, because with me, once I put a necklace or a pair of earrings on, I don't take them off. I wear them all day, I sleep in them all night, and changing my jewelry daily to match my outfit is something that I don't even want to be bothered with. So after wearing this for about 4 weeks, the chain did start to tarnish and dull a little bit, and so I bought this stuff off Amazon Prime, and it's just a liquid silver cleaner. So literally last night, because it arrived yesterday, I took off the necklace. You don't submerge the stones. So you hold it and just put the chain portion in, keeping the stones out. It took like 5 seconds, pulled it out, rinsed it under warm water, dried it off, and it was back looking like it was brand spanking new. It's gorgeous, and I cannot say enough good things about this necklace. It's become my favorite. Ana Luisa also offered me the ability to share their products with my followers. So I will be having a giveaway from Ana Luisa. They gave me 3 pairs of earrings to share. So these are really, really cute. I have 3 of these. And if you're looking for like a statement item on a date night or something somewhere where you're going that's pretty fancy, these will be absolutely gorgeous. So, and they come beautifully packaged. I will have Casey, I've done giveaways in the past. And what I like to do is, if you want to enter this giveaway, just leave a comment on the bottom of the video. And like I said, I do have 3 of them to be giving away to one of you guys. So the giveaway is for the United States only. I'm sorry, international shipping. I've done international shipping giveaways in the past, and it's mind-boggling how much it costs to ship a little package like this around the world. So the giveaway is strictly for people living within the United States. So for my international followers, I do apologize. But Casey will select 3 winners by random. I literally like start scrolling up and down, and he literally puts his finger on somebody, and whoever he puts his finger on, that person will win an item of jewelry from me and Ana Luisa. Also, if you don't win the giveaway, they were kind enough to give me a code called TINA15, all capital letters, TINA, T-I-N-A 15, and of course I will put all of this information in the description box below, but you can use that code to save 15% off any jewelry purchase that you would like to make from Ana Luisa. And like I said, the prices are incredibly reasonable for just pieces of jewelry that are so beautiful. I was surprised at what a good deal and what the quality that you get for your money. It was really, really amazing prices, amazing jewelry. So again, all of this information will be in the description box below. 3 winners will be selected for the giveaway. TINA15 is the coupon code if you would like to go shopping today. And with that, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Good luck on the giveaway. I will be selecting a winner 1 week from today, and I will contact the winners directly to let them know that they have won. With that, I will talk to you later.